Good afternoon, dear students.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm well. And thank you, Sudan. Now, good day, dear guests. Welcome to our English lesson. I'm so glad to see you today. Now, who's on duty today? Khadisha? And who is absent? Okay, good. Thank you. Sit down. Now, before starting our lesson, I want to ask you some questions about your interests. I want to know, have you got the same interests? So, if you have the same interest, if you like to do something, you may show the gestures like. If you don't like, you show the gesture unlike, okay? You may show your fingers, okay? So, the first question is, do you like traveling? Do you like traveling? For example, I like to do it. Do you like traveling? Show your gestures, show. Show you. If you like traveling, show. Yes, you may. Okay, good. Do you like going to the cinema? Do you like to go to the cinema? Do you like it?
Yes.
Okay, good. Do you like dancing?
Yes.
Okay, don't answer. Do you like eating junk food? For example, I like to eat pizza. And you? Do you like? Yes, good. Do you like sleeping a lot?
Yes.
Good. And I like to. Good. And do you like play any sports?
Yes.
Okay, well, why did you ask these questions? Because you know that nowadays a lot of teenagers, many teenagers don't want to do anything. Yes? They are so lazy. But you know that doing regular exercise is useful for your health. For example, every day before starting our lessons, we do what? Every day we do morning exercise. Yeah? Could you speak English? Well, so now I said about teenagers. Who are they? Teenagers. Who are they? Could get teenagers. Yeah, just with As you see here, we have the word teenagers. And I want to give you the pen, and you should give the characteristic to each word. Okay, for example, T is talented. Yes, our teenagers are so talented today. So the next word is E. Who wants to write?
Energy.
Energy. Go. Yes. Thank you. Go. The next word is the second E. E. The next letter E. Yeah. Teenagers are. Yeah. Entertaining. Good. Right. Entertaining. The next letter is N. Noisy. Yes. You are right. Noisy. The next letter is A. Active. Active. They are so active. Yes, you are right. Active. The letter G. Letter G. Yes, are you here? What? Great? Great. Yes, you're right. Come here. All right, the word great. The third letter E. Emotional, yes. They are so emotional today. Active. Active. Emotional. The letter R. Who wants to write? The word adjective which starts with the letter E. R.
Realistic.
Huh?
Realistic.
Realistic. last letter is S.
Smart.
Smart. Good job. Wow, smart. Write down this. Smart. Wow. You are so cute. Smart. Thank you. You've done this part. So, dear pupils, let's write today's date. Open your copybooks. Write the date. The 19th of December, Thursday, and our theme is teens and exercise. Write down, please. Teens and exercise. The aims of our lesson. You should understand and use vocabulary related to physical exercise. You should discuss the benefits and importance of exercise for teens. The third, improve your reading, writing, listening, and speaking skills in English while discussing physical health and exercise. And last aim is to express your personal experiences and opinions about exercise. These are aims of our lesson. Well, let's divide into 3 groups. I want to divide with an unusual method. You don't choose any pictures or some others. We will divide into groups by your first letters of your names. Do you understand me? Yeah? Yani ne isteyimiz? Özümüzün isimlerimizin birinci harfinden başlatalım. Yeah? So, let me see your bottom class. Who are in the first group? The first group is Ayake. Please stand and take your place. Ayake, Ahmad, Yarasul, Yilmur, and Yurkinur. Come here, take your place there. You may take your stand up. The second group are Khaisar, Madina, Midran, Nazirke, and Nurala. Please take your seats in the second place. And the last ones are Nusaya, Rayhan, Suleiman, Sultan, and Hadisha. You are the third group. You are the third group. Oh, our group is. Wow. We have 3 groups. Okay. Now, then, after all the stages, you should give me feedback by this cards. Okay? On each right answer, you will get 2 points. Do you understand me? Yeah? Yes. 2 points. And at the end, you should give me feedback. If you like, if the lesson was very interesting for you, and if you don't like it. Okay? Take it. You should mark after each stage of our lesson. Сынтоя бала сабақтың әр этапынан кейін өздеріңді бағалап отырасыздар. Well, if you understand me, let's start our lesson. I want to tell you one secret. I have no plans for today. I didn't do the part of our lesson. You may choose each stage of our lesson. Түсінесіздер, иә? Яғни сабақтың әрбір этапын өздерің білесіздер. What are these stages? Look, there. The flipped classroom, яғни төңкерген сынып. Tic Tac Toe, jigsaw reading, and hand fan. You know this, right? Okay. You may choose one of these things. Let's choose. should watch a video. Watch a video.
Exercise has huge benefits for teens. The most obvious benefit of exercise is improving your physical health and your appearance and extra pressure at school. It is easy to escape all your problems with an evening in front of the TV. It's important to choose activities you enjoy, so you keep doing them and don't give up.
Okay, that's all. And the next task is to do vocabulary work. We have these new words. Look at them. Let's repeat after me, okay? Benefit.
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 Пайда. Boost.
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 Көтеру өсуіне ықпал ету. Brain cell.
Brain cell.
Brain cell.
Brain cell.
Мидың жасушасы. Build muscle.
Build muscle.
Build muscle.
Build muscle.
Бұлшық етті шығару. Burn fat.
Burn fat.
Burn fat.
Burn fat.
Майды кетіру. Change mood.
Change mood.
Change mood.
Change mood.
Көңіл күйді өзгерту. Concentration level.
Concentration level.
Concentration level.
Concentration level.
Концентрация деңгейі. Diabetes.
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 Диабет. Endorphins.
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 Endorphindер. Epinephrine.
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 Adrenaline. First fight stress.
Fight stress.
Fight stress.
Fight stress.
Стресспен күресу. Give up.
Give up.
Give up.
Give up.
Берілу, тастап. Heart disease.
Heart disease.
Heart disease.
Heart disease.
Жүрек ауруы. Lower.
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 Төмен түсіру. Physical health.
Physical health.
Physical health.
Physical health.
Дененің саулығы. Pressure.
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 Қысым. Spotty face.
Sporty face.
Spotty face.
Sporty face.
Зезіл басқа. Бет. And the last word is temptation.
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 Алдау, азғыру. Well, I want to give you 2 minutes. 2 minutes. You should read and learn by heart these words. Okay? 2 minutes. Let's start. Look very attentive at each word and their translations. 1 minute is left. Now your time is over. Okay, I want one pupil from this group and one from that. Please come here. Who wants to come here? We will play the game Tic Tac Toe. The game is played on a street that 3 squares by 3 squares. One pupil is what? Cross, and one, your friend, is not. Please take turns putting their marks in empty squares. The first player to get all 3 of his marks in a row, up, down, across, and diagonal, is winner. Now, who wants to come here? You know, from this group, and from that. Who wants to come here? Kasa? You will be cross, and you are not. I will say you one word, and you should translate. Who is quicker? You should put your cross or not into the empty place. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Well, start. Don't look at the board. Okay. What is boost? Boost. Don't look. Through. Okay. Good. his concentration level. Don't look. Don't look. Concentration level.
tinggi.
Good, excellent. Give up. Give up.
Virgül.
Yes, you are right. Physical health. Physical health. You may translate. Yes, you are right. And the last, what is a spotty face? Who is quicker? Yes. Well, the first group is done this task. Okay, good. Then, from that group. Then, who wants to play with Kaysar? Hadisha, Rehan. You may take your place. Now, you are cross and you are not. So, okay. So, fight stress.
Stres being person.
Put into empty face place. Diabetes. Diabetes. Who is the first? Okay. Epinephrine. Epinephrine. Yes. Adrenaline. Pressure. Put. Okay. And temptation. Temptation. Yes, you are right. Okay, the winner is Hadisha. Okay, thank you. Sit down. You may take your place. Okay. Now, this task is done very well. You may take 2 points on this task. Okay? Well, now the next, the task Tic Tac Toe is done. Now let's choose the next stage. What do you want to do? You have the flipped classroom, jigsaw reading, and fun. Jigsaw reading. Okay, jigsaw reading. This task is, you have the text in your books. Open your book on page number 46. Here you have the text, themes, and exercises describing benefits. I divide this text into 3 paragraphs. 3 paragraphs. One of the students tells the other group about the content of his paragraph, and the other group students must retell it. Okay? Now look, read very attentively. It's a jigsaw reading. Okay, stop. Your time is over. Now, from this group, who wants to tell about your paragraph? Russell? Tell about your paragraph to the second group. You are. Listen.
Because the nature is hard, you suddenly face no problem. Changing moods, acne, exams, and present at school. It's easy to give
Into the temptation.
It's all exercise. Suddenly shows physical activity, can significantly improve mental health.
Okay, good. Now, the second group, if you understand the speech of Russell, please, what did you understand from his speech? Ezekiel.
You visit with all new problems, suddenly rapidly changing moods and spotty face, and worries about which, and not to maintain exams and extra pressure at school.
Okay, good, thank you. Now, from the second group, Kaysar, please, tell me about your paragraph.
The most obvious benefit of exercise is improving your physical health and your appearance. Whatever you are worried about of concerning your appearance, exercise can help.
Exercise.
so that you can keep a healthy weight. Whatever doing regular exercise will burn fat and build muscle.
Excellent, thank you. Now, the third group. What did you understand?
The text highlights the main benefits and exercise. Exercise improves with health, physical health, and burn fat, and build muscle, and reducing risk of illnesses like diabetes and heart disease. Additionally, exercise the effectively positive and the reducing stress and positively happy.
Oh, wow, good. Thank you. And about the third paragraph, Adisha, tell to the first group. First group, listen to here.
Finally, exercise can help with your schoolwork too. Another chemical the body releases during exercise is called epinephrine. This exercise improve your concentration levels, which is perfect when you need to study. Regular exercise can even create new brain cells that improve your memory. And workouts can boost your creative powers for up to 2 hours afterwards. So how much exercise is enough to get these benefits?
Yeah, thank you. Wow.
Well, the NHC, Britain's Health Service, advises teens to get around an hour of exercise each day. What kind of exercise you do through is totally up for you. If you're not keen on the gym or hopeless with sports, you can do martial arts or start dance lessons, or just put on your shoes and go for a long walk.
Okay. Well, thank you. Now, who wants to retell?
What kinds of exercise you do so is totally up to you. The important thing to show something you that enjoying you keep going and give up.
Giving up. Okay, well done, excellent. Now you may put your 2 points, okay, on your cards. Thank you for your brilliant work. So the next task. Let's choose the next task. Now we have the flipped classroom and hand fan. What's the hand fan? Hand fan is our wheel. In this part of our lesson, I want to remember that this class is participate in a practical experimental work site. Yeah? We should find and read the proverbs about sport and exercise in Kazakh, Russian, and English. I want to give this funds to Suleiman. Find the proverbs in Kazakh, Russian, and English about exercise. Okay? It's for Sultan. You have to participate today. So to Yekunur. Now let's find from these words. There are so many words.
Шылықта шымыр боларсың, отты спорту время взамен получить здоровье. Health is above wealth.
Health
Is above wealth.
Above wealth. Okay, good. Sultan. What can you find?
Зенжелек мына тупар. Холода не бойся, сам по поясу мойся.
Холода не бойся. Ага.
In sports and any men are known.
Are noun. Good. Ага. Сулейман.
Здоровый через дорогу.
Sound. Mind is sound. Body. Ага. And Bettinur.
Ауыр демізгенше ауырмайтын жол іздер. Кто любит спорта, тот здоров и бодр. All with sport from all people.
All sports for all people. Well, thank you. You may get your 2 points. Okay? Madina, Bettinur, Suleiman, and Sultan. Okay. Now we have only one stage. It's called the flipped classroom. To find some information about Group 1, the benefits of exercise for teenagers. Group 2, different types of sports and exercise. And Group 3, how to stay motivated to exercise. Okay, you may take your papers and write all about your task. You may use your markers. If you haven't got, may take mine. Now, who wants paper? Write down all. And you may use these pictures. Write all about your task. The benefits is your task. Different types of sports and exercise. And the third group, how to stay motivated. You may include these pictures. 2 minutes. Information about let's finish.
How to stay motivated to exercise. Break larger goals into smaller mini stories. Exercise with a friend or join a group class. Pick consistent times of day when you have the most energy.
2 homeworks of going to illegal.
Yes. Next. Read. Nazirke. Hasan, please.
Sports for joy and vitality.
Vitamins. Vitality.
Sports improve psychological well-being.
Yeah, you're right, and sports. Yes, good. And the third group. Read.
Active people are all energetic and happy.
And happy. Ayete.
Running and playing improve your health.
Heart. Yes. Ahmad.
Exercise helps you
Stay healthy. Okay, good job. Well, all our parts well done. So, show me your marks. Put your marks. How many points have you got? And give me feedback. If the lesson was very interesting, if you don't like the lesson, and give me. So, dear students, our lesson is over. I want to thank you for your participation. The lesson was very interesting. And And as your home task, I want to give you exercise number 1 in your books. Now show me. Yunus has got 9 points. Well, good. Yunus have 6 points or 7 points. IK 8. Yes, Nazika, what about you? Tap 9 points. Good job. Kaysar 9. Good. Rala, how many points? Show your points. Khadisha 9 points. Nursaya 9 points. 6 points. Well, 6 and 7. Okay, thank you for your participation. The lesson is over. Stand up. Goodbye, dear students.
Goodbye, teacher.